Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these pepperoni pizza stuffed zucchini boats. Hey guys, welcome back. The first thing we need to do to make these zucchini boats is to wash your zucchini, and I cut off the stem. So now we can cut each one in half carefully. This one's got a little bit of a bend in it, but that's okay. Just like that. I'm going to do that to the other one. Perfect. And now we need to scrape out the seeds on the inside. So you just want to get some of that flesh out of there so we can make room for our fillings. Just use a small spoon and just dig it out as best as you can. Okay, we got that all done. So now I'm going to season the insides with salt and pepper. You want to make sure you season it because zucchini's pretty bland. I'm also going to sprinkle some oregano. Okay, now we can start assembling the pizzas or pizza zucchinis, which is super simple. We're just going to put a spoonful of the sauce, just any, look for a sugar-free pizza sauce. Rayo's has a really good one. You could also use marinara. Using about a tablespoon or so per zucchini boat. And just spread it out. Now we're going to add some pepperoni. You could do whatever's your favorite. You could do sausage, bacon, whatever you like. Or just cheese. And finally, we've got the cheese, just mozzarella, shredded mozzarella. Gonna layer a pile of that on. Perfect. Okay, these are ready for the oven. They're gonna cook in a 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Our pizza zucchini boats are out of the oven and they look amazing. Let's serve a couple of them up. Our zucchini is nice and it's not overcooked because I just hate overcooked zucchini. It's perfectly cooked. Let's put a couple on a plate. Those are perfect. Let's try it out. It smells like cheese pizza. Hot but delicious. Those are really good. You're gonna love this recipe. Make sure you check out this video for pepperoni pizza pockets using a fathead crust, and you can use the leftover pepperoni you have from this recipe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.